Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and today I want to tell you about a really neat product we have. It is our urban farming calendar. Now this is not like any other calendar you've ever had. This calendar is going to help you become a really serious gardener or an urban farmer in zones 9 and 10. So what's really neat about it is if you flip to the first page, it has a complete planting guide. This tells you whether or not you want to direct sow it or transplant it. It's going to tell you the time that you want to plant it, the months. It's also going to tell you your succession schedule. So how often do you want to replant it? All of that information's here. Then if you go month by month, so if you look here for April, it tells you the weather patterns. So more or less what you can expect in your garden in April. It tells you what to plant in April, so what crops you should be starting from seed or from transplants. It tells you what you should be doing in your garden. What should you be preparing? What should you be getting ready for the next month? It also gives you a list of our crops that we recommend for this month. And then it has lots of really good educational information about your warm season garden, your cool season garden. It's got information about watering tips. It's got herbal plant remedy information. It has everything that I've learned over the last decade of growing here in Southern California condensed in this really cute calendar that we've made for you.